yabera impiguza ndabeho aha kanisa enkuru y'obureberezo bwa Ankole ya St James Cathedral haro ubwo abikiriza Kristo baba nibeshengereza omujuni owabazarwa erizooba omukushaba okwo abikiriza Kristo bashabwa okukuratira hamwe n'okutooreza emico ya Yesu Kristo omu magara gaabo ag'obukristaayo.
Ekyalesire Yesu niki n'okulwanisa ekibi to fight sin. May God help us to identify. I may not mention everything. Maybe let me end with this. Drugs. For young people, because many of you are young. Be careful about drugs. So many in the cities and even in the villages now. There are cases I have met with of people who have been disoriented by drugs. That when I'm going back, I will testify and say the Lord is born in my life. You just put up your hand. We know I pray for such a people. He makes a difference in your life as he did to the bishop's life, as he did to my life.
Bishop w'obureberezo bwa Ankole Right Reverend Associate Professor Fred Sheldon Mwesugwa niwe yayibembera okushaba oku kandi yamanyisa abikiriza amakuru g'izoobeeri.
All that I have been able to has been because of having known Christ. Of course, I go to many places and people say, you mean you're about to retire? Yes, I'm old. It is only Jesus who helped me. I didn't go into alcohol. I didn't go into cigarettes. I didn't go into sexual immorality. That's why I've kept the size.
Christmas ni rukundo, Christmas no kubagana, no kuyamba batakweyamba. Christmas no bumwe. Kandi nyowe atukasa richa bwahika omishengero mukaza bwamba la site. Mwena nimba tabarusia.
Buri mwaka aha birabiri na bitanu by'ukwezi kw'ikumi n'ibiri abikiriza okwetorora ensi yoona nibeegita okwijwa okuzarwa kwa Yesu wazirwe kujuna ensi. Omugani makuru Bishop w'obureberezo bwa South Ankole Right Reverend Nathan Ahimsibwe yayehanangiriza abikiriza okwerinda okureetaho entaro omu bwire bwa karuuru. Bishop Ahimsibwe hoona yayeshengyeriza abakristaayo ngu beejumbire omu kuteera karuuru. Ogu yaba ari omu kushaba kwa Nohera hari St Matthew Cathedral Kyamateyi omu district ya Ntungamo ahu yashaba abikiriza okukuuma obusinge omu maka gaabo. Omushaija wa Ruhango ogu hoona yajumirire entare ezitwireho omu karuuru omu district ya Ntungamo kandi yayehanangiriza abakristaayo ngu beejumbire omu kuteera karuuru.
Yesu outantwijuka n'omukama obusingi kandi obusingi abakubuheereza abakubushemererwamu mukama nabakorera bikuru. Nyenda kubashaba mube abantu abakukuuma obusingi hagati yawe na batayi bawe nangwa n'omubiro by'akaruuru aka. Mutayitana, mutarwana, mutaterana ebikonde ahabwa karuuru.
Okushaba oku kwahikwamu n'abeebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe.
Embendeza Christmas nungi n'omwaka omusya ogwihorere kandi ninyenda kubashaba mwena ngu ombwire nk'obu obw'ekiro kikuru tutwarize mpora akasente tukarekure mpora twine okubarira habw'ebiro ebirikwija omu maisho.
Tera karuuru kihorere tukaruga omu kavuyo tushira kugira akaruuru k'akavuyo mu Ntungamo mu tawuni omu mbwenu tushaba mukama tukwase aha murundi ogu nize twetwazegye.
Abikiriza bashabwa kutamaana omu kukora eby'entunguka nk'okuhinga omwani hamwe n'okujaguza okw'obujunaanizibwa. Aha bwa TV West ndi Era Akiza na Elias Rutugusa.